Anh ơi, could you teach me some Vietnamese?
Sure. What do you want to know?
How do you say good?
Tốt.
Tốt? So can I say good morning is buổi sáng tốt?
Nope.
So can I say coffee is good? Cà phê tốt?
Nope.
So
Let's watch this video to find out. Xin chào, mình là Thanh. Welcome back to TVO YouTube channels. And in today's video, we are going to talk about different ways to say good in Vietnamese. And like I said in the beginning of this video, tốt definitely means good in Vietnamese, but it's only used in certain situations. So let's have a look at some example and find out when.
Điện thoại iPhone tốt hơn điện thoại Samsung. Anh ấy là một người bạn tốt. Dầu gội Head and Shoulder có tốt không?
Interesting. So if I want to say a good film, can I say phim tốt?
Nope.
So what do I say?
So, when talking about entertainment, instead of using tốt, we're gonna use another word, which is hay. Hay. For example, a good movie in Vietnamese is gonna be phim hay. Phim hay. Or if we want to say that she sings very well, then we're gonna say cô ấy hát rất hay. Cô ấy hát rất hay. However, if we want to talk about other skills, like when you want to say that you're good at doing something, then we're not going to use the word hay, but it's going to be another one, right? So let's listen to this short audio and find out what is the word that we're going to use to talk about skills.
Nga nói tiếng Anh rất giỏi.
So if I want to say I'm good at cooking, I should say anh nấu ăn giỏi.
Yes, we can, but when it comes to food and cooking, then we normally use another word, which is delicious.
Is it ngon?
Exactly, it is ngon. So, how do we say Vietnamese coffee is good?
Cà phê Việt Nam rất ngon.
High five, that's the one. So far, we have found out 4 different ways to say good in Vietnamese. Before we continue, let's review first, right? So we have tốt. Tốt is used to talk about quality. And then we have hay. Hay is used when we talk about entertainment. But when we talk about food and cooking, then we're going to use the word ngon. Ngon. Or if you want to say that you are good at doing something, a skill, right? Then we have giỏi. Giỏi. But there's more. But before we continue, let's practice these words first. How was it, guys? I hope that it wasn't too difficult. Now, how about if we want to say that someone is well behaved, right? Good behavior. What do you think? Which word would we be using? Are we going to use tốt or giỏi? Or is it going to be a completely different word? Let's watch this following clip in order to find out.
Chị Thanh, sao chị ở đây một mình? Chồng chị đâu?
Ôi, chồng chị dạo này ngoan lắm. Ăn cơm xong là đi rửa bát rồi.
Thế con chị đâu?
Ui, con chị dạo này cũng ngoan lắm. Ăn xong là đi học bài rồi.
Thế chó của chị đâu?
Chó nhà chị cũng ngoan luôn. Ăn xong đi ngủ rồi.
Okay.
I wish I was that lucky to have a good husband, a good kid, and a good dog, right? So anyway, when talking about good behaviors, the word we use is ngoan, ngoan. And this one can be used for both people and animals, right? So this next one, yes, and you heard me right, we still have other ways to say good in Vietnamese. And this next one is more familiar than you thought. Let's find out what it is.
Chị Thanh, dạo này chị thế nào? Chị có khỏe không?
Chị khỏe, còn em thì sao?
Em bình thường.
Thế em sao trông buồn thế? Mọi chuyện ổn không? Em với người yêu em có ổn không?
Em ổn mà, em chỉ buồn ngủ thôi.
Ok, thế cũng được. So, do you notice how Nga said that she was good, she was fine? In Vietnamese, when greeting each other, we normally ask, right? Bạn thế nào? Bạn thế nào? Or, bạn có khỏe không? Bạn có khỏe không? Which literally translated into, are you healthy? So, in Vietnamese, in order to say that we good, we say we healthy with the word khỏe, khỏe. Or, if we want to say that I'm good, everything is good, we can use another word, which is ổn, ổn. So, in order to say I'm fine, everything is good, we say mình ổn, mọi chuyện đều ổn, mọi chuyện đều ổn.
Hold on. So when we are greeting each other, I can say good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I can say buổi sáng khỏe, hay buổi chiều khỏe.
Nah, not really. We don't really say good morning or good afternoon in Vietnamese. But if we do, then it's gonna be chào buổi sáng or chào buổi chiều.
So if I say good night, I can say chào buổi đêm.
I mean, that would totally make sense, right? But no, we don't say that. We say chúc ngủ ngon. Chúc ngủ ngon. I wish that you sleep deliciously.
Deliciously. It's like, it's so complicated.
Do you agree with anh Daniel that Vietnamese is too complicated? I personally think that that is exactly why it's such an interesting language to learn. And if you want to find out more about this beautiful language, don't forget to like and follow our channel to see more videos like this in the future. And actually, you know what? There are more ways to say good in Vietnamese. If you know anyone, any different one, then leave a comment in the comment section below for us, right? And that's all for today, guys. Bye and see you in the next video.
Xin chào cả nhà.
Đến giờ học tiếng Việt rồi.
TVO có giáo viên rất tốt.
Rất thân thiện.
Tieng Viet, rất thân. Stop, stay.